Hello, making a video about the agetty behavior between Arch and Debian because I'm trying to get Debian-like behavior onto my Arch install. In particular, the ability to ctrl+c or sigint to cancel out a login when I have a typo in the username. This happens to me frequently, especially when working with really tiny keyboards. But yeah, so this is a Toshiba satellite. It's got Debian installed, and this is my Arch box on X1 Carbon, so very different machines. But here's the login. So if I start typing in, a login, I can actually log in, right? All right. But if I fat finger something, right? Instead of waiting for the timeout, which I could just, hit enter and wait for that to finish failing. But if I do this and then Control-C instead, it cancels out the login, which takes me back to a cleared screen and a fresh login page. On the Arch box, however, if I'm going to log in first. So you can see I can log in, okay. But let's say I fat finger, make a typo here, and then I want to cancel out. Well, Control-C. Nothing, completely ignored. If I hit enter, I just have to wait for it to fail so that I can try again. So I'd like to understand what component makes that behavior function the way it does. Even if I can't replicate it, would be nice to know. If anyone has any idea, please let me know. They're both using agetty. As far as I can tell, it's the same version. And I've opened a forum post on Arch to discuss this. Cheers.